This is Jitin. Welcome to our AutoTest Lab Channel. Today we are going to discuss about the RestAssured Library, how we can automate API using RestAssured Library. So in this video, we are going to automate get and post API using the RestAssured Library. So let's start it. So we have opened the Eclipse. So now I'm creating the new project. So click on the file, new, and click on the projects. Now you can select Maven project on next. uh, Click on the create samples project, that one, and click on next, and you just give the name any. So I'm doing okay, testing. Mhm. Using the same name in the certificate ID as well. Now click on the finish. So the project will be created. Now you can see there is some error is there. So just right click on that one, properties, our will path. This is the JRE and 1.5 by default is created. So now I'm going to edit that one. So edit, I'm using the bar alternate JRE JDK21. So click on the face, apply and apply close. So the error has been gone. Now just click on that one, create first package. So I'm going to conform.py testing dot com. So I just created one package. Inside this package, now I have to create the one class. So I just create the class. So I created one class, automate get and post. Now I'm using the test engine. So first you go to the help and just check in your system if the test engine framework installed or not. So if it is not installed, then just install that one. So go to the Eclipse marketplace. It will take some time. Now type test engine. Test engine. Just click on the enter. The test engine will appear. So if you have not installed the test engine, just click on the install, then it will install that plugin in your system. I've already installed, so it's showing as installed. Now I'm going to cancel that one. Go to the form of XML file. Now we need to add some dependency. So I'm using the REST Assured library. So we need to add that dependency. So that dependency we can download from the Maven repository. So open from browser. Now type Maven repository, search REST assured. Now copy the latest one. So 5.50. So this is the latest one. So just copy that one. And now type dependencies. So this is the parent dependency. So we need to add dependency inside this. So just paste it. So then you can see the Maven dependency test assure jar file has been added. Once we added the dependency, the Maven jar file has been added. Now we need testng as well. So go to the repository and type testng. So the latest one 7.9.2. So just copy that one, paste it. So the dependency we have added in the pom.xml file, and all the jar file has been added in the Maven dependency. So now go to that class and create one method, public void post Now I'm using the test engine, so just the notation test test. So just click on that. So say the add test engine library. So just click on that one. So you can see that test engine library has been added. Now mark as a cursor and just click on that. It will import that test engine. So now I'm using the RestAssured class. RestAssured to new rest. So I just try to import in that library, but you can see the rest assured cannot be resolved as a type. So now go to the form XML file. So you can see that rest assured scope is a test. So when we open, so you can see that all the jar test rest assured jar file mark as a shadow. So that reason it's not able to read it. So we remove the test scope and just save it. You can see this become unshadow. So rest assured is now unshadow. So now we can able to read it. So we are remove that from the testing as well. Now go to the class and just move the cursor to the rest resort class, and you can see there is import rest resort. Now click on it. The rest resort package will be added. So now you can see the error has been removed. Just click on the save. The error has been gone. Now we are using the rest resort, so we need post API. So go to the Chrome browser and just hit some dummy API. Dummy API. So this is the dummies API. So I'm using the post. So I'm using that dummy API, that one kit. So click on the details. You can see this is the body information for that API, and we are getting that result, the API response. So now go to the back and just copy that URL. See now at response to not give one is URI to the URL that I have copied. So just paste it here. Now dot body. Go to the prompt. Now click on the details. So you can see this is the body information. This is in the JSON format, and we require in string format. So we need to convert that one. So we use the online converter, convert JSON to string. So use that one. Control state and convert. It will convert your JSON to the string format. Now go to the Eclipse, just paste here and click on the post. Select column, add select one. Just move the cursor on the response and click on that. Add the package response package. Now, once we hit that API, we need to validate what the response code. So if this API if the response code is 200, then our test case will be passed. Otherwise, it will be fail. So I create integer variable status code equal to be using that response reference variable s dot it status code. So this is the method using. So if status code equal to 100, then print one message as a pass, else everything is a failure. To print the response, so it means dot h string. It will print the response as a string format. Now just right click this as a test. So now you can see we are getting the response. Data ID 61 successfully recorded has been added, and we getting the print messages pass. So we get the status code 200 and our discuss has been passed. So this is the post API. Now if suppose your API has a header information, then you can use directly dot, and you can use header. You can use the header, and you can add your header information as well. So in this API we don't have any header, so we are not using the header information. So now I want to use the get API as well, so I will change in this API in this method as well. So get API. So let's go to the back, and this is the get API URL. Copy that one. I'm just changing that only URL, base URL, and we does not require that body dot, and we have a get method. Just call it, and we does not require that one. Printing the response. So now just right click, run as assembly test. So now you can see we get the response data. So the success record has been successfully fetched. So this is the get API. So based on your requirement, you can appropriate your API. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.